Hello, good morning. Myself Rashmi Ranjan Mishra, Associate Professor in Mechanical Engineering. Today we will discuss about continuity equation in fluid mechanics. Okay. So in fluid mechanics, the continuity equation it depends on the rate of discharge. So first, what is rate of discharge? Rate of discharge means Q. Means Q. So, how much fluid pass in a pipe or a channel in a second? Okay. So, how much fluid pass in a channel in second? That is called rate of discharge. That is Q. So, mathematically, we know. So, what is rate of discharge means Q. Q is known as it depends on the area of the pipe and the average velocity. So formula is Q is equal to A into V. So what is A? A means cross-sectional area of pipe and V is equal to average velocity. So Q is equal to A into V means A is equal to its unit is meter square and V is equal to meter per second. So finally meter cube per second. This is the unit of Q, rate of discharge. Okay, so this is the rate of discharge. So we have to discuss continuity equations. Continuity equation. So this continuity depend. So this is let this is a pipe. This is section 1 and section 2. What is lengthy pipe, number of section 1 or 2 or 3 or n. So this have some area, this A1 and this is A2, and it have some velocity. The fluid particles have some velocity. This is V1 and this is V2, and you have some density. It is ρ1 and this is ρ2. So it depend on incompressible fluid. Incompressible fluid. So first know what is incompressible. Incompressible means the fluid which volume and density does not change. Means the fluid volume and density does not change. It is called incompressible fluid. Okay, so let A1 is equal to area of the pipe and A2 is equal to area of the pipe in section 2, and V1 is the velocity of pipe at section 1, V2 is the velocity of pipe 2, and ρ1 is the velocity of ρ1 is density of section 1 pipe and ρ2 is the density of section 2 pipe. Let during conservation of mass all section, that is 1 1 2 2. So we take only 2 section, 1 1 2 section is same. So as per the rate of discharge equation, Q is equal to AB means A1 B1 is equal to A2 B2. Suppose number of n section AN BN. So Q1, suppose discharge at section 1 means Q1 is equal to A1 B1, Q2 is equal to A2 V2. So this section means Q is equal to A1 V1. This is the continuity equation of the pipe. Okay, this is the continuity equation of the pipe. So let's take some problem. In question, the diameter of pipe at section 1 and 2 are 10 cm and 15 cm. Find the discharge through the pipe if the volume of water flowing through the pipe at section 1 is 5 meter per second. Determine also velocity at section 2. So we have to find the velocity and also section 2. So take, this is a pipe, this is section 1 and this section 2. One section 2, 10 centimeter and 15 centimeter means take data given. Pipe section, the diameter means D1 is equal to 10 centimeter and D2 is equal to 15 centimeter. Means we take to in millimeter. So 10 centimeter is equal to, so we take meter. Take meter. How we solve the numerical easily? So 0.1 meter and this is 0.15 meter. Means D1 is equal to 10 and D2 is equal to 15. Find the discharge Q. We have to know discharge. We have to find the discharge. So the pipe, if velocity of water flowing through the pipe at section 1 is 5 meter per second, means V1 is equal to 5 meter per second. V1 is equal to 5 meter per second. Determine V2 velocity at section 2. Means V2 we have to know V2 find. So two unknown value, one is Q and other is V2. Okay, so first we have to find the area. Area of section 1 pipe. A1 is equal to pi by 4 into D1 square. Means pi by 4 into D1 square means 0.1 square is equal to, we have to calculate the value. Then what is value? Value is equal to 0.0078 meter square and this is the A1. So Q, the Q know that Q is equal to A1 V1. Q is equal to A1 V1 means A1 is equal to 0.0078 into V1, this much value 5 is equal to 0.03 into meter cube per second. This is the Q. This is the discharge value. Then second, we know what is velocity at section 2. We know that Q is equal to A2 V2. So 0.0392 is equal to, we have to A2 means pi by 4 into d2 square 0.15 square into V2. That implies as we have to know V2. So V2 is equal to I have to find, to calculate this much value. We have to calculate into 1.5 square. This much value is equal to 0.0176 into V2. So 0.0392 V2 is equal to 0.0392 divided by 0.0176. So 0.0392 divided by 0.0176 is equal to 2.228 meter per second. This is the answer. So in question, let us given what is the discharge, means discharge is equal to this much, and second determine also velocity, this is the velocity. Okay.